Hi, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're looking at this 2019 Sea Ray 21-foot SPX. As you can see, on the back of the boat here is Sea Deck. It's nice material for the kids to be able to jump off the boat. You got a nice walk-through, so you never have to step foot on the upholstery. Here we got two captain chairs, both with flip-up bolsters, fusion speakers, nice wraparound seating bench. We have a cooler underneath one, and then in this compartment is a nice fully insulated cooler with a drain at the bottom. Again, fusion speakers throughout the boat. Here in the bow, we have a nice big spacious area for sitting. There's cup holders below so you don't kick them. They're not going to bounce out on top of you while you're driving the boat. Here at the helm we have another captain chair with a flip-up bolster. The dash was redesigned this year. So of course we have all of our tacks, depth finder. This is considered to be the appearance package. So we have extra lights in the cup holders as well as rope lighting, fusion head unit. And as you can see, there's more upholstery throughout here, more upholstery on the backings. Just kind of done nicely. Again, I'm Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. We have plenty of these in stock. Stop out and check out one today.